autism cooking channel. I will link that down below. And continue watching the video till the end because I have a menu bread disaster Grupp that I will put in. Yesterday when my friend and I tried to build a menu bread house. So that's what started. So here are the ingredients and supplies. Here are the ingredients and supplies that you like good.
It's crazy driving.
So here are the supplies that you will need. You will need a baking sheet, some non-cooking paste,
Spray.
a cutting board, a knife, some chocolate if you're following the topping that we're putting on. M&M's,
Minis. Caramels.
Manchester hummus.
I didn't know there was such a
Or
thing.
you can buy regular Manchester and beat them up in a bag. Apple.
That's key.
Honey crisp. Honey crisp.
Oh, honey crisp apples?
If you're wondering what
Nice.
well, you really need a heavy steam, but the stupid pandemic, apparently heavy steam is a item in demand. Don't know why. We're using milk instead and a liquid memory. And the dogs who want to eat everything.
Key ingredient.
Okay, so the first thing we have to do is cut the apple into 8. And you need pie apples, the recipe for the pie apple.
Oh, I didn't wash them. Gotta do that.
Yeah,
5 apples?
yeah.
Okay, do 5 of them.
But I bet
I'll wash
you
them.
can do more if you pan for heating the caramel.
Melting caramel.
Yep. So
Okay.
we're gonna cut the apple.
What am I doing? 8?
8.
That's, so I go in half, but then not in half. Oh yeah, in half again, I guess. That's 4. That's 4. And then each one of these in half.
Yep.
Okay.
And you can only do more apples if you had more people.
There we go. Can you do this in fast motion when you're playing back?
All the apples are almost cut.
You I need to do though?
We have to feed them.
Yeah, go ahead. You can explain.
So now we have to take the seeds out because the seeds are bad. So only seed your apple. I'm not sure if apples come already pre-seeded or not.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
We could have cored them first. You ever do that?
No.
Apple core, and it just takes the whole core
Oh
out.
yeah.
I could have done that, but we didn't. And I also could have taken the seeds out before I cut them in half again. Then I'd have half as many to do. But, you know, sometimes it just doesn't work out that way.
No.
Okay, I better back the camera off. Let's back the camera off. Whoops.
So now we're gonna put melting the caramel in a pan. And we have to put a third cup of milk in the thing.
Put the milk in first?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, they're individually wrapped. Holy OT exercise, Batman. Let's get some open. Those could be tricky. Oh, that could be really tricky. That could be very, very tricky. Oh my gosh. We'll be back in a few hours. Oh my god. Oh. We'll be back the day after Christmas when we finish unwrapping all these caramels. 1.
We'll be back.
We'll be back for Anna's 50th birthday to unwrap the last caramel. Oh my gosh, these are tough. 2. Okay. Let's watch Anna. Anna wants to see you to see her unwrapping a caramel.
You'd probably die.
You're actually doing really well. This is your 3rd one already? I've only got 2 done. Man. Not bad. 3, 2.5. Almost 3.
And these are baking caramel. So everyone knows.
Baking caramels.
Don't mix caramel with candy.
Don't try this at home. Oh no, wait, that's not what we want to say. We don't want to say that. You're supposed to try it at home.
I wish we knew these were individually wrapped.
I put a 1/3 cup of milk in the saucepan,
Yes, and
as ordered by Anna.
it's not supposed to be milk, remember?
Oh, it's supposed to be heavy cream.
Yeah.
Right. But they need the heavy cream for the pandemic.
Yeah, heavy cream is apparently it was filled with corona.
It cures coronavirus.
Not.
No. How many do we put in? Don't say all of them.
They did. They poured all of them.
Okay, all of them.
Yeah. Yeah. And if you make desperate like that, don't put rubber apple in too.
Right. Don't be in too much of a hurry.
But these are made sweet.
Oh, yeah, I could eat one, couldn't I?
No, I didn't mean it.
Mmm.
I meant apples.
Oh.
I think these are going to be better than the big caramel apples.
Yeah. I like that they're cutting the apples smaller pieces. I think that'd be way better.
If you had a little tired or something, it would probably be easier to eat.
Definitely.
Love, not cat.
Just don't do the hats.
Where are your earmuffs?
Mom is doing
Something outside, so bundle it up.
Oh, that caramel makes me choke.
If you have No.
These two aren't even wrapped. Weird. Two of them in the bag weren't wrapped. I think we'll skip those. We'll maybe feed those to the dog.
No.
No?
No, it's fine.
No. Bad idea. Terrible idea.
You don't know.
Bad dad.
You don't know. Almost bad at all.
Google it. Leave your comments below. Are caramels bad for dogs?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
We're filming.
Oh, I just grabbed that.
Oh, right here.
And then
It's right there. Those.
Calm
That one's
down.
not wrapped. That's out. Oh, did you unwrap that? Or did no? I don't think you did.
Calm down.
Caramel down.
Where is it?
Leave no caramel behind. Leave no.
Down here.
It's all part of our Leave No Caramel Behind program.
Well, we'll be back when I'm back.
We're done.
And no.
That is it.
Yeah,
Oh, we have to melt them. That's right. All right.
Alright, now you wanna turn them? Now we're gonna melt them.
Now we're gonna melt them.
And make sure you continuously turn too.
And do I put it on pretty low, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So put it on low. We don't want to burn the caramels. Now what do we do?
Now we have to people are filming the video.
Wow. Looking good. We got a tray here. Comment below. Anna will mail you one of these in the mail.
Yep.
Not really.
Not really. They wouldn't make it. Considering the amount of would make these, they would probably rot. That's probably better than this one.
Not much. Stuff just kind of goes all over the place. Doesn't really matter. But then when the caramel hardens, they should hold on pretty well. I think. It's just one of those messy kind of processes. It's no biggie. Yeah. I like M&M's better anyway. I think you're good.
Yep.
You good?
Yep. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe.